So today we are going to solve this question. It is domain based question on logarithms. So we want to find out the domain of this function log of x with varying basis. बेस यहाँ पे इसका बेस 4 है, यहाँ पे 3 है और यहाँ पे 2 है. तो इन पार्ट्स वी विल हैव टू डिफाइन. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ पे हम अंदर से बाहर की तरफ जाएंगे. सिंस इट इज़ अ फंक्शन ऑफ ए फंक्शन ऑफ ए फंक्शन, इट इज़ ए कंपोजिट फंक्शन. तो फॉर दिस थिंग टू बी डिफाइंड, for this to be defined, x should be more than 0. First condition. As we know कि logarithmic function is only defined for positive x. X should be more than 0. Now second point. Now we have defined this. Now we are going to define this part. So for log this, to be defined, log of 4x, this thing, log of 4x should be more than 0. We are applying the same condition again, but now we are applying on this function. Previously we had applied it on this, and finally we will apply it on this whole function. This implies what? X should be more than 4 raised to the power 0. This implies x should be more than 1. Second. Now third point. Now this to be defined, now this whole thing should be greater than 0. This implies so by mistake I had written x here. Now I have corrected it. So this thing should be more than 0. This implies what? Log x to the base 4 should be more than 3 raised to the power 0. This equals to 1, and this implies x should be greater than 4 raised to the power, this is 1. This implies x should be more than 4. This is the third condition. Now we have defined each part of this function. Now we will take the common value of x. So how to do this? Here it says x should be more than 0, x should be more than 1, and x should be more than 4. So what is the common value? Intersection of these three values, इनका intersection लेना है हमें. So for this we will draw a number line, and there we will see what is the final answer. Put these values 0, 1 and 4 on the number line. 0, 1 and 4. ध्यान ये रखना है कि जो नंबर जो लार्जर है वो राइट साइड में होगा. So since 1 is more than 0 and 4 is more than 1. Now this says x should be more than 0, this says x should be more than 1, and this says x should be more than 4. So finally the common answer is x should be more than 4. So 4 to infinity, this is open interval. So this is our final answer. 4 to infinity. 4, can we include 4 here? No, answer is no. And what about infinity? Infinity is not a real number, so obviously we can't include this since it is not a real number. So it is never included. It is outside the set of real numbers. In some video we will talk about this, the concept of infinity plus and as well as minus infinity. So I think you have understood it. If you want to comment something, you can comment, like, share and subscribe.